Hello students, I Vanna Shrivastava today going to take your class of English language and today's topic is sentence. Here I have written the definition of the sentence. A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. It means class, a sentence is a group of words which make a complete sense. It means a sentence has more than one words. Okay, here I have written some example. Before seeing this, let's say this notes. It's very important and please remember it, class. A sentence is a group of words arranged in specific order. It means, class, a sentence words must be arranged in a particular order. If it's not arranged in a particular order, it means it's not a sentence. The first word of a sentence always starts with a capital letter. Remember this, class. Before writing any sentence, please remember it. The first word always start with a capital letter. A sentence ends with a full stop or a question mark. This is the sign of the question mark, or an exclamation mark. This is the sign of exclamation mark. It depends on the types of sentence where we use the full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark. Okay, now here I have written some example. Let's see. I have written playing cricket Aman is. Is this a sentence? No, it's not a sentence. But it's a group of words. We can say it's a group of words. But it's not a sentence. Why it's not a sentence? Because this group of words not arranged in a specific order. As we have studied here, it's very important that that group of words must be arranged in a particular or a specific order. What the specific order? Firstly, we will choose what is the subject in this group of words. Then what's the subject? Playing? No. Cricket Aman is? No. Then what's the subject? Aman. Then we will first write Aman. Then we will write the helping verb. And what's the helping verb? Is. Aman is. And what's the main verb? Playing. Then playing. And what's the object? Cricket. We will write here cricket. Aman is playing cricket. Now this is a sentence because this giving the complete meaning. Let's check. Aman is playing cricket. Yes. Who is playing cricket? Aman. And what is Aman playing? Cricket. It's giving the exact meaning. Then it's a sentence. How we have arranged this group of words? Firstly, we will write subject, then helping verb, then main verb, then object. Okay. Then means what's the structure of a sentence? Subject, verb. It may be the helping verb or main verb. Subject, verb, and object. This is the structure of a sentence. And you can see here I have put a full stop, but here I have not put because it's not a sentence. It's only a group of words. It's not a sentence. Next, the has window broken Mohan. The has window broken Mohan. Is this a sentence? No, it's not a sentence. It's a group of words, but it's not a sentence because it's not arranged in a particular order. Now arrange this group of words and let's see. What we will first write? The subject, Mohan, then helping verb, has, then the verb. What's the verb? Broken. Object, the window. Mohan has broken the window. Now it's a complete sentence. What's the structure? Subject, helping verb, main verb, and then object. Okay, the same structure which I have told. Subject, helping verb, main verb, and object. Now it's giving us the meaning of a sentence. Now it's a complete sentence. Mohan has broken the window. Who has broken the window? Mohan. What Mohan has broken? Window. Okay, it means we come to know, class, A sentence must arrange in a particular order. A sentence must start with a capital letter. Here I have written the first letter capital, and here also, and I have end the sentence by putting the full stop. Okay, and what's the structure of the sentence is subject plus verb plus object. Okay, this is the structure of the sentence: subject, verb and object. Okay, I hope class you all have understand. Please, it's very important, try to learn it. Now on the kinds of the sentence. Kinds of a sentence. How many kinds of sentence? There are 4 kinds of sentences: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. There are 4 kinds of sentences. We will discuss these 4 kinds of sentences in the next video. I hope till here you all have understand this, what is a sentence, how we will arrange this group of words, and what's the rule of the sentence. Thank you.